So today is day 2 of our winter storm, and I even catch up on my laundry. The snow is wonderful, but the only thing that sucks is that the washer machines are downstairs, and the more it snows, it's gonna be harder to get down there. So right now I'm gonna have to go clean up a little bit of the snow so that I can get through and maybe try to clean up outside. But I think it's gonna be like this for the next few days, and I can't let my laundry pile up. So that is what's happening today. This is how I'm doing my laundry with 20 pounds of clothing.